Here is an update on the next system moving in, which will actually wind up being a nor'easter. This will be with some period of heavier rain as well as some stronger winds closer to the coastline. This is certainly a later season nor'easter. You don't see a lot of these in May. There will be the potential of some rough surf or some splash over right at the coastline, but we are not expecting coastal flooding. We are also not expecting any flooding in inland sections as well, although we could see a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain, and there could be some gusts over 40 miles an hour closer to the coastline. It will be an inland area of low pressure that will transfer its energy offshore and become a coastal system, which again will have some stronger winds at the coastline, while inland sections will wind up with quite a bit of rainfall. That will build in first thing tomorrow morning and continue into the afternoon before weakening. And as that system continues to move away, we'll have some lingering lighter shower activity Friday and Saturday. So here's a burst of that rainfall starting to move in first thing tomorrow morning in southern New Hampshire, then lifting northward from there into central and northern areas during the afternoon into the evening. Areas above 3,500 feet could see several inches of accumulation. And yes, even up in parts of the North Country, there will be that possibility later in the evening and during the overnight hours Thursday night. By Friday, as you will notice, it will be periods of showers as the upper level system will at least be nearby with plenty of clouds, and we will hang on to quite a few showers heading into the weekend itself, maybe even a stray shower Sunday and into Monday also. The potential is there for a widespread 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the state, lesser amounts in far northern spots with a couple of pockets of 2-inch amounts in some southern areas, including the coastline. Here's a look at when the strongest of the winds are expected to be. You'll notice the winds do start to pick up out of the east later tonight and into tomorrow. Gusts inland will be over 25 miles an hour, but gusts closer to the coastline could be over 35 to 40 miles an hour. As I mentioned, that system slowly moves away over the weekend, temperatures slowly rising.